Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gitika Arya, and today's video is about quick and the easiest Indian snacks, as in our busy schedule it becomes very difficult to attend guests. So here are some snacks so that you can get 10 out of 10 from your guests. So without further ado, let's start the video.
First one is tikki chaat. So for that you can buy these frozen McCain aloo tikkis and you just have to fry them in the oil. When tikkis get lightly brown, then take them out of the oil. Buy some Maggi imli chutney if you don't know how to make the imli chutney. To make tikki chaat, you will require some imli chutney, green chutney, curd, salt, chili powder, roasted cumin powder and some tikkis. Then to make the chaat, add curd over the tikkis. Then add some imli chutney according to your taste. Then add some hari chutney or the green chutney, then some salt, chili powder and the cumin, and your chaat is ready. Next is CANAPES chaat. For that you will require some CANAPES which you can get from good general stores. Then you have to fry these CANAPES in the oil, let it get brown for some time and then take them out in a plate. To make CANAPES chaat, you will require some chopped onions, chopped tomato, capsicum, chopped coriander leaves, some chaat masala and some sort of bhujia which you have. Then in a bowl, in the bhujia mix onions, chopped tomatoes and capsicum, coriander leaves and add some chaat masala. You won't require salt because bhujia already have salt in it. Mix that well. And then add that mixture over the fried CANAPES and your CANAPES chaat is ready. Next is dahi papdi chaat. For that you will require some curd, some chutneys, imli chutneys and the green chutney and the papdi. This papdi you can get from any sweet shop. Some roasted cumin powder, salt, chili powder. Then to make this chaat, firstly add some papdis. Over that add some curd. Then add some imli chutney. Then add some green chutney and salt, chili powder and some jeera powder or the roasted cumin powder according to your taste, and your chaat is ready. Next is masala papad. So for masala papad, you will require some papad like Bikaji papads. Then roast them in the microwave instead of frying it. It will be more healthy. To make masala papad, you will require some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicums, some black pepper, salt, coriander, some cheese and some chaat masala. So firstly add cheese to the bowl. Then add onions, chopped tomatoes, capsicum, add some coriander leaves, add some salt, some chaat masala, some black pepper and mix it well. And then garnish the papad with that mixture and your masala papad is ready. And the last one is nachos platter. So nachos you can get easily from any general store. Other things you will require like mayonnaise, some chopped capsicum, some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions and some dip like salsa dip. This dip is quite spicy so you can choose other dips also. And then mix chopped onions, tomato and capsicum in the salsa dip. Then add some mayonnaise over the nachos and that dip you have made over it, and your nachos platter is ready.
So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will come again with more such videos. Till next time, bye.